Welcome to the HAL APS channel. During the scheduling process, HAL APS generates purchase proposals in accordance with the defined auto-replenishment method. The proposal is generated with the precision of a second. This allows the just-in-time operation of assembly halls. HAL nets the stock and informs you when you need to purchase an item and when it is required for production. We have a full connection between the demand source, production order, purchase proposal and purchase order. Yes, order, because HAL sends information about purchase proposals to the ERP system and expects feedback on purchase orders. If the delivery is delayed, HAL wants the ERP system to inform it about this event. Similarly, if we buy more than the purchase proposal, HAL manipulates this information in the scheduling process and can use the stock for future production. Such a closed information loop is something that every planner in every factory in every corner of the world is looking for. HAL can do much more. It can manage such deliveries with the precision of batch, series and expiry date. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.